Shifting focus to another big story that we're tracking here on Mirror Now, it's the Supreme Court who has taken a serious view of forced religious conversion cases. It's asked the central government on what steps it has taken to stop this menace and also has directed centre to step in and make sincere efforts to check the practice as it affects the security of the nation. Harish joins us live on the broadcast for more. Harish, some very strong words coming in from the Supreme Court, clearly taken an extremely serious view of the incidents that we have been reporting of forced conversion. Take our viewers through what the court has said.
Yes, that's right. Supreme Court has very categorically said that this is against the menace of forced conversion which is happening across the country, especially in tribal areas of the country, and people were community belonging to economically backward class and is residing is against, in fact, the interest of the nation, against public order and against national security. And at the earliest, that is by November 22nd, the centre has been asked to file an affidavit making it stand clear on what they propose to do to deal with this menace and what are the steps being contemplated in the pipeline. When Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that most states had region-specific, state-specific guidelines and rules in this regard, Justice M.R. Shah, who was heading the bench, said that it is high time that the centre steps in this regard, because this is the prima facie a very serious issue, and the public interest litigation petitioner Ashwini Upadhyay has in fact raised a very, very valid issue which is of national concern, as more and more cases of forced conversion through intimidation, conversion through threat, and deceitful incitement through gifts and monetary benefits is being reported from across the country. Remember, this PIL was filed citing the Lavanya case of Tamil Nadu, where a school student was had allegedly committed suicide, frustrated over constant pressure from the warden of their hostel. It was this PIL was in fact been filed during that time, and which brought to the fore all these issues. And now Supreme Court has sought the response of the centre by November 22nd, and by November 28th will be the next date of hearing. The Supreme Court said that it's a fact that there is a freedom of religion, but forced conversion is not permissible. That is conversion through coercion and threat. And if one wishes to convert by his own sweet will, that is permissible. But forced conversion is not permissible.
Absolutely.
And that is against the national interest, public order and national security. So the centre has been asked to file its affidavit by November 22nd, and the next date of hearing will be on November 28th. Back to you.
All right. Harish, thank you so much for getting us those details.